everyone, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So we're here at Chucky's yard still. I think it's about 10 o'clock. Chucky just went to go get some stuff. I'm not sure, but he'll be back soon. And yeah, I'm not sure what we're going to do yet today, but I will show you guys in this video. And if you haven't yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, comment down below what you want to see. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, but just keep on watching. This is going to be a good video. You'll see a lot more of Chucky and some of the neighbors, so yeah, keep on watching. Like machete to open the coconut?
Yes, I have the machete, but that fucking machete is so a little bit hard, you know?
Okay.
Yeah, I went up by the top house.
Mm.
But as we said, Jamaican people, resilient people, so y'all gonna figure out a way to do things, you know?
Yeah. I went to bring Priest some jackfruit, and he didn't want, but he gave the coconut.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is not jelly. This is coconut. This is the one they use and cook rice and peas, and they use and make the hive, you know? Coconut hive.
Okay.
They say it's the best hive.
Yeah.
But like I say, this is not the good machete, you know, but Jamaican people always find a way, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's working.
Rough way. Yeah.
You just have to sharpen the machete?
No.
No?
It must be a way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty fast.
You can't grow this way, you know? This is the water.
Okay. Oh, it looks nice.
Very delicious.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh.
You can try it if you want.
Okay.
To drink it.
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah.
You don't want?
I will try.
Okay.
Good.
Good?
Yeah, but this is not really the jelly, you know?
Okay.
This is the one you grate to make rice and peas. And you're cooking porridge. You use the milk. But in the Babylon shop, they sell the substitute one that you can just buy it in the pack. But this is the original way. Better taste, better flavor, make the food super nice.
Oh, and you can use this meat too.
Yeah,
to
man.
shred it. Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Okay. Oh.
You can just throw in the water like this.
Oh.
I know.
Need a knife.
Yeah. Go like this. If you want, you can try it, you know?
Yeah.
Eat.
Thank you. It's soft or it's hard?
No, it's hard.
A little hard. So maybe tomorrow is better when it softens?
No, it's not gonna get softer.
Not gonna get softer. Don't
Not-
eat that outside.
Yeah, anywhere heat.
Oh, really?
It's good, yeah.
Okay. It's good?
Yeah. Yeah,
I'm gonna
it's
try and
super
get it.
good. Super good.
It's good.
This is the grater.
Oh, let me see. Okay.
This is the grater. This is how they prepare it. Like so. Eat like this for cooking, you know?
Yeah.
Original.
And what if you want to do the coconut milk? You can get it from this piece or no?
Yeah, from these.
Okay.
You're gonna squeeze it.
It's like a cloth.
Yeah. I'm gonna squeeze it and show you.
Okay. Thank you.
Just a little to make you make your video. You have to go to grate it like this. For some people, this cut up your hand, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably I'll cut my hand.
Yeah. But through me grow this way, it means nothing to me, you know?
Yeah.
I can look at you and do it, you know? I don't even have to look at it. You know?
It's impressive, yeah.
For sure.
Oh, even at the end too, when it's a small piece.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
High five.
Okay.
I should be in the packing.
Oh, yeah. You have Pocky growing here or you got it somewhere?
No, not growing here.
Okay.
I have to go and get it somewhere.
Yeah, come over. You buy it?
No, man.
Oh.
Freelance packing.
Okay.
Total freelance packing. So now me wash off the grater, you know? With the water. Leave it like that. I know you squeeze it, you know?
Okay.
To get the milk.
Oh, it's a lot.
It's not really a lot, you know? But it's good for coffee,
Okay.
or porridge and all these things. Making rice and peas, super nice.
In your cereal you could put it too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yes, but I never tried with cereal.
Okay.
But you have a good idea. I think it will work, you know?
Yeah, I never eat cereal, but I saw you eating it.
Yeah?
Here. Yeah.
You never eat cereal?
When I was little, I ate it, but now I haven't eaten it so much.
You don't like it?
No, I like it, but I usually get something hot for breakfast.
Okay.
Yeah, maybe eggs or something.
And then you put it through the strainer, you know?
Okay.
Here. Now you have to strain it
Okay.
in one pot. Maybe I put it over there.
Okay.
Again. Trying to make you walk up a little.
That's good. It's early.
Yeah. Go like this now. Yeah.
Oh.
And then you have the milk.
I think that's a lot because it was just a little tiny
Yeah.
piece we had.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then you have the milk.
Yeah, let's show them. Do the dogs like it or no?
Ah, shy, it's not to talk about the dog. I cook the dog food and leave it. I have to go back for it.
Okay.
See, I grate out the coconut and here's the milk.
Oh wow.
Just from one little piece. That's not
Right.
the whole coconut.
Right. Very nice.
Yes.
Hmm.
So you can make
Alive.
porridge or anything you want with this now, you know?
Very nice.
Yeah. Ah, he's right. So.
Okay, maybe we should eat that soon.
Yeah, you can just break it and
Break
eat
it, yeah. Oh, yeah, really right.
You can just break it and eat it.
Oh
you know?
really?
Yeah, you don't have to squeeze it. Nah, that thing, you know?
You want some of it too?
It's salsa.
Yeah.
I baby.
Okay. Oh, the breadfruit too. We wanted
Yes.
to roast it. Should we roast it now?
When you come back,
Okay.
put it in the sun.
Mm-hmm.
Let it turn a little.
Yeah.
So first you need to take out this, you know, the stem.
Okay.
Ah,
Well, then you do like the 4 cuts, right?
it's a culture they always do it like this, you know. Just leave it, you know.
Okay.
And then the sun, because maybe it get ripe a little bit faster.
Hmm.
That means when you roast it and eat, super sweet.
Okay.
Super sweet.
Oh yeah, doesn't like the juice come out or something the top while you wait?
Yeah. No, it don't
No?
really carry juice, you know.
Okay.
It just have stain.
Oh.
Like milk, this white milk will come out, you know. But
Okay.
this one really full, you know.
Yeah.
And it's a yellow heart, not white heart.
Okay.
So when it roasts, it becomes yellow, you know.
Hmm.
Yeah. It's super nice. Most people prefer the yellow heart more than the white heart one.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Alright, so I have the clothesline behind me. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you watch my previous video, my next video. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't. It's super sunny. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.